Hi everyone, today we will convert this video into this video using Adobe Premiere Pro CC. Without a delay, let's get started. Okay guys, we have launched the Premiere Pro application. First step is to do is that we need to launch this clip into the timeline. That's it. Now let's play it back. The clip doesn't look any cinematic. First we need to do is that we need to change the aspect ratio of this clip. I'm just selecting 1920 by 820. This gives a cinematic look. And also we need to change the frame rate to 24 frames per second. I'm selecting 23.976 because it is the most common. As you can see, the video is cinematic in ratio, but the clip isn't. For that we need to zoom in a little bit. Okay, this looks better. Even though this clip is in 21:9 aspect ratio and 24 frames per second, this is not even cinematic. If you right click this, you can see time interpolation options. There's frame sampling, frame blending and optical flow. I'm just selecting frame sampling because the selected frame rate is lower than the original of the video. Then what we need to do is that go into the color section. Then we can see so many options. I'm not selecting any LUT, but you can select if you have any. I'm just increasing the sharpness a little bit. We don't need to increase the saturation, we just need to increase the vibrance of this. I'm just slightly increasing the vibrance. In the basic correction, I'm just decreasing the temperature. But this looks artificial. Even though this was shot in evening, I'm just decreasing the temperature. I'm just also increasing the contrast. As you can see in this video, the highlights of the video are washed off, so I'm just decreasing it. There's no problem with the shadows, so I'm not touching the shadows option. And also the whites are overexposed, so I'm just decreasing it. I'm also introducing some vignette into this. Initially this clip was recorded in 30 frames per second, but now it is in 24 frames per second. So I am decreasing the speed a little bit, so it will become 24 correctly. In this way we can also stabilize this footage a little bit. As you can see, when the vibrance is increased, this looks more like a cinema. I am also making the highlight in some blue. I am just trimming it here, because the rest of the clip is useless, because of the lens flares. I think the saturation is too much, so I'm just decreasing it. There's some noise of the rickshaw, so I'm just removing this. Just click on unlink and just delete this audio. I'm introducing a new sound to this video. This sound is from bensound.com. The links of this website will be in the description. Okay, now this is the final product. Just play it back. This looks more cinematic, but let's introduce some text to this. Let's align this text to the center. I'm also introducing some transition to this text. Just search for dissolve. Let the clip start as black. Now let's cut the clip where the text ends. Okay, now let's play it back. The blackout is more visible, so let's decrease it. Okay, this looks more cinematic. Now let's export it. This is our final product. Please subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and also share it to your friends. Comment your opinion below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.